That's the cat and the bird, but Rogue came back. The bird is like dive bombing her. I think he had a nest. Where'd he go? She caught a baby bird the other day, and I think it had a nest. Right up here somewhere. And I think it fell out, and she got it. I don't know where he went. As you can see, she's caught another bird right there. Get off my legs, you're making me itch. Stop. You're making me itch. I'm still sick, guys. I still feel like poo. My nose is red. Cat. Look at my porch. There's bird feathers everywhere. It's from her. She likes to catch birds. Stop rubbing on me. Stop. You're making me itch. Stop it. Stop. So I know I said I wasn't going to make any videos, but the cat was like trying to, like chattering at this bird, and this bird was dive bombing her, and then right when I turned the camera on, she came over to me and stopped. So I didn't get to show you what I wanted to show you guys. I feel like poo, guys. I feel like poo. Ooh. He's in my window. Can you see him? Can you see him? He's in my window. Ew. You see him? He lives in my window. He's inside the window though, so I can't get him. Oh my gosh, I itch, guys. The cat rubbed all over my legs and made me itch. My nose is red, really red. And there's the fish. My house is a mess because I'm sick and I don't feel like doing anything. And I itch, man. Between the mosquitoes and her rubbing on me, it's made me itch. I feel like poo, guys. I feel like poo. I'm not sure what time. Oh, look. Look. 6:11. 7-Elevens again. I was going to try and show you that bird, but yeah. We've got this stuff. Oh my gosh, I itch. See the kitty? She's looking at me through the window. There's the spider. Spider. No, he's creepy. You see him? He's creepy. He's creepy! Kids are eating their dinner. House is a mess. You want to see what my messy house looks like? Living room. And then they drug out the toys over here. Yeah. So I'll show you what I got over here. I still got to clean out stuff, but I don't want to. I feel like poo. There's toys in the hallway. There's stuff on Logan's floor. His bed's all destroyed. You probably can't even see that. You can see this curtain. And then, look at that. This is Caitlin's room. Yeah. There's toys everywhere. Yeah, it's lovely. Lovely. I feel like poo, guys. I feel like poo. Alright, well, I'm gonna go because I feel like poo. And the kids are just about done eating. And I have a lot to do. And I was gonna go to the doctor's, but I think since I'm not coughing as much now and I feel a little better, I'm just gonna tell him to get me some, cough syrup. And Caitlin has a bump behind her leg, so I'm not sure if he's going to want to take her up and have it looked at or not and get her some medicine. Because I don't think it's MRSA, but oh my gosh, I got cat hair all over me. Look at all them bug bites. Do you see them? Here's another one. There's another one. What they did to me? They ate me alive. They ate me alive, guys. And yeah, I got hurt again today. Yeah. I still don't feel good. My nose is red. It hurts. Rattle. I really don't feel good, guys. And cups on the floor. I'll get it.